Explain what you're doing.
Okay. Me and Ethan made a volcano with red dye, vinegar and baking soda that's gonna spew out and run down the sides. Here, here, and here.
Okay.
Okay? You wanna pour it in, buddy? Sure. Okay.
Okay, save. Ooh, cool. Hot lava.
Just like, whoa. Oh. So strong scented. Lava rock! Put some more in. There we go. No! Put all of it in there.
Uh-oh, it didn't overflow that time.
Here, I'll put the rest in. All of it. Hold on, buddy. Oh, it's done. Yeah, it's done. You can just pour it. Here.
Lava container.
Here, I'll pour it. Pour it in there.
For the lava flow.
It's what? It's a lava. Make a path. No. It's called erosion.
Let's see.
That's called falling on me. Can I pour some? Cool. Let's let Ethan
Goo.
do the rest. It is goo. Cool. Ethan, do you want to pour the rest in? Out? Sure. Pour it into here. I got it. Careful. Here. What are you doing? Cool. It's cool. Here. I thought we could make like some kind of play goo with this. Like silly putty. It's exactly like silly putty, Mom. Do we have any more baking soda?
Feel it. Yeah, that was it.
Oh, cool.
Weird.
I think we have to explode something and then like just take what's left of that. No.
I know there's a way to make goo.
With vinegar and baking soda.
Borax, I think. I don't really know what borax even is.
Yeah, we made that. That's how we made it.
Board? No, don't crush it down. Look, there's a bug.
Quit it.
Oh, he just flew into Owen's leg.
Let's make.
Okay.
That was cool.
Very cool.
Oh, look at the sand! Awesome! Red sand. Red sand! Cool! Yes! Awesome! I bet this is how they make the colored moon sand. Not like by exploding stuff and making it run down, but I think it's by like putting red dye into water and then pouring it onto the sand and mixing it.
Stinks.
It does. Why are you messing it up? Oh, sorry. I didn't know you wanted to keep it.
She's just mixing the sand in, I think. What's wrong, Chewbacca?
Chewbacca. Chewbacca.
Chewy the dog.
Chewbacca. It's big. It's big.
Do not
What?
put sand on the dog. At least he's not dirty enough. Oh, watch Jackie's digging.
Dig, dig.
What are you looking for, Jack?
Dig, you can. Dig, 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 dig. You're on your phone, too.
Treasure. Buried treasure.
Go! We crash!
Adios.
Goodbye. Goodbye.